Ronnie and Javier and all the guys. 1 hour I was driving in my new truck. Yay.
The auto warehouse was actually recommended to us by one of our friends who said that, it's really easy, hassle-free, and they always work out a deal with you. So it was really fast. I was able to make a deal with them, even trade in my own car, and leave the same day within a couple hours with a new car.
Come to Auto Warehouse, they're the best. I came in today and drove out today with a brand new truck. Look at here, yeah. Throw money down, trade in, get it right now. Yeah.
Gracias a Auto Warehouse por haberme dado el carro que quería y les agradezco mucho. Aquí sí reportan el crédito, no como en otros dealers. Y gracias.